In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Sky customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to pistconsumer.com. This is it here. So go ahead and click into this website. This website's great for finding out contact details. So once you're on their site, click on the search bar and then type in Sky. And then click on all results for Sky. This is it here, Sky TV for sky.com. Now scroll down and what you want to find is reviews about contacts Q&A tabs, and now click on the contacts like so. And now from there just scroll down and you'll see some Sky TV phone numbers and emails. So we've got a few different numbers here for customer service, or if you rather send an email or a message, click on send message, and they've got their legal complaints feedback and another Sky email here. If we drop that down, we've got more numbers and emails we can contact Sky TV on.